We're heading out for some mid-December frogwater trout fishing. It's 55 degrees today for mid-December. So, who knows, maybe we might get into a pretty good day of fishing. I think I'm going to start out trying to fish a salmon egg under a float. Cast out here in a little deeper area. See if we can find a fish. Start off the morning. Alright. Fish on. Just lost one. Cast back in. Popped it again. Missed him. About 5 minutes later, I finally got another hit. Third hit. First shot at landing a frogwater trout. Oh, there he is, Mike. Watch it, hold your lines to the ground. See the ground. Big brown, dude. That's a big brown. On her. Let me fix my head. Alright. Let me get this net out of here. Nice. Nice trout. Ready? See ya. Alright, man. See the fish come up there. See if you take the bait, full bobber under, come on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh. That feel like a good fish, Mike. Oh, I ain't got the drag set too good. Gotta loosen that drag. Whoa, he's smoking that drag. It's a big fish, Mike. Yeah. I know. Can't get this fish in, Mike. He's a big one.
Just see that bobber.
I ain't seen it yet. Whoa, big boil, Mike. Big boil, big fish, right?
Yeah.
Big boil. There he is. Nice one. Nice bowl.
Headshot.
Zoom out, Charlie.
Oh, almost got out.
He almost got out, man. Nice ball, man.
Hold it down a little, Lord.
Nice ball, huh?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful big bowl. What we do with them? See ya. Yeah, work up. Try another hole. See if we can pull up another trout or two. Look at the size of that thing, Mike. Little dude. Look at that. Little rainbow. Bobber go down. I got a fish on. Good one. Was it brownie or rainbow? Nice one. Nice one, Mike. That's a nice bowl, man. Nice bowl. Nice bowl, Mike. Nice bowl. You're almost ready. You're almost ready. Nice bowl. Oh, that's a beauty of a fish, man. There he comes. Rainbow in the frog water. He don't want to give up, does he? Oh, that's a sweet fish, man. All right, man. Nice bowl. All right, man. Beautiful rainbow, Mike. Beautiful fish, man. Nice to be out here. A beautiful December day like today, huh? All right, man. Turn that one loose. We'll work on another one. All right, man. Fish on. There he is up there, Mike. He's running. That's a good fish, man. It's a big brown, man. Oh, man. That's a nice brown, man. Oh, that's a slob of a brown, man. What size is it? Oh, man. Oh, I can't get this fish in. It's a strong fish. Oh, this fish will not come in. That's a strong fish, man. Big brown, big brown. I got him. Dude, the size of that. That's a big brown, man. Huh? That's some eggs. Fish on. Uh-oh, uh-oh. You running for other line. Pass me a pole back, Mike. I'll get it out of your way. I just missed it, man. I grabbed this other rod, reel it in so it's out of the way. Fish flew way out of the water. I'm like, smoking. I got a few bows and a few browns. Well, you're on the bows, man. Oh, that's a nice bow, man. Nice bow. Beautiful bow. He's smoking you, Mike. Man, what a gorgeous December day. Would think mid-December you hit 55 degrees, huh? Like I said, it hasn't snowed once yet this year, and it shattered the record for the latest ever snowfall here in western New York, huh? Beautiful bowl, man. Oh yeah. Whoa, he running. It's funny, I started off with the egg sacks. Mike was working the jigs. And they're definitely not hitting the jigs at all. We tried different colors. And today's an egg sack day. That's good to have a little bit of everything. Probably lost like 5 or 6 fish too. Well, that's going to happen when you're fishing this ultralight line, right, Mike? Water's clear. We're using a real light fluorocarbon leader today. Fishing egg sacs under the float. Give them a little twitch every once in a while. Beauty of a fish, Mike. Got him! Nice. Nice. Another beautiful bowl. Man, just having some fun today. That is a pretty fish. All right. Beautiful rainbow. What you gonna do, Mike? What a beautiful December day, and we're catching a few nice fish. Can't beat that. Fish on. Whoa! Look at that, Mike. That fish jumped about 5 times before he got the camera out. Whoa. That was on a big egg sac too. Whoa, he's running. I can't stop this fish. He's way back there now. That's a big steely. Big steelhead. He's way back there. Oh man. This fish must have jumped about 6-7 times before he even got the camera out. Picked up some weeds on the line. What a beautiful day for December, man. It's more like an October day, you know? Oh, that's a beautiful fresh chrome steelhead, huh? Dude, that's a big fish, man. Dude, that's a big fish. Dude, that's a big fish, man. I can't get him in here. Net shot here. Net shot. Might have one shot on him. Fuck. Just about done, Mike. Just about done. Alright. That's a big steelhead, man.
Yeah, hold it down lower.
That's a nice steelhead there. That got some weight to it. That fish went nuts, man. Beautiful fish. You got a good shot? Nice steelhead, huh?
Turn him towards me more.
Nice steelhead.
Turn towards me more.
Nice big steelhead, huh?
Yeah.
Fresh chromer. Alright, ready? See ya. There he goes. Alright. It sure is peaceful out here today. Nice if the fishing was a little better. We probably hooked 15 fish between us all day. Landed 7. I said Mike started off fishing the jigs, mainly fishing the jigs, nothing on jigs today. The jigs are usually hot this time of year. Alright, I used to take here, Mike, when you were a little kid. Average day would be 40 or 50 fish, man. Yeah, I remember we'd come with Uncle Rob sometimes. There'd be days we'd hit at least 20 apiece, 60 fish, 70 fish between us. It was phenomenal. Still seeing a fair amount of fish coming up today. You know, maybe they did start running a little later, but it's not like it used to be, where there's fish jumping all over, you know. Yeah, it was still nice to get out and catch a few fish, though. Yep, it was fun. Still nice to catch a few fish. And we only got a few, but still nice to get out and enjoy the great outdoors. Nice, relaxing, peaceful day. Better than staying home today and watching the Bills game, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you gonna do, huh? Maybe next year. Is that a fish? Tell you what, Mike, every time we left the spot, 3 or 4 fish would jump. Huh? Messing with us. if we're gonna have any ice fishing this year though.